The OnePlus 15 Pro is coming, and trust me, this is not just another smartphone. This is the kind of device that could make you rethink everything you've seen in the flagship world so far. And if you're curious about what makes it so special, stay tuned because by the end of this video, I promise you'll be surprised. OnePlus is stepping into 2025 with a phone that screams power, elegance, and intelligence. And it all starts with its AI-driven ecosystem that takes personalization to the next level. This isn't just a phone that responds, it's a phone that actually understands you. Imagine unlocking your device and it already knows the playlist you want to listen to on your morning run, or setting the brightness and performance based on your routine without you lifting a finger. That's the level of AI OnePlus is bringing to the table. Now, let's talk about raw power, because this phone is fueled by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip paired with ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM, giving you performance so smooth that heavy gaming, multitasking, and 4K editing feel like a breeze. And with UFS 5.0 storage, apps open instantly like magic. But what good is power without endurance? The OnePlus 15 Pro packs a 5,400 mAh battery optimized with intelligent AI battery health management, and with 150W wired charging plus 80W wireless charging, you're going from 0 to full in a fraction of the time. It's basically saying goodbye to battery anxiety forever. Then there's the display, and oh boy, this is where the magic shines. We're looking at a 6.9-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED 2.0 panel with a 1 Hz, 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and brightness that hits up to 4,000 nits, making it a dream for gamers, movie lovers, or anyone who wants visuals that pop even under direct sunlight. But cameras. This is where things get exciting, because the OnePlus 15 Pro is rumored to feature a Hasselblad quad-lens setup, including a 200MP main sensor with OIS, a 64MP ultrawide, a 50MP telephoto with periscope zoom up to 100x, and a 32MP macro sensor, plus a 64MP AI selfie camera that makes your shots look so natural it feels like professional photography at your fingertips. And here's the suspense. The phone is said to introduce an all-new cinematic AI mode for video that automatically adjusts lighting, focus, and depth, giving you movie-level results without any editing. And before you think it ends there, let me tell you about performance stability, because this phone uses advanced vapor chamber cooling to keep things cool even under stress, and Oxygen OS 15 based on Android 16 is lighter, faster, and smarter than ever, giving you seamless animations, deeper customization, and AI integration baked into everything. Now the big question, when is it coming? Rumors suggest the OnePlus 15 Pro will officially launch in March 2025 globally, with the US being one of the first markets to get it, and pricing is expected to start around $1,099. But here's the twist. There may be a limited edition variant with a transparent design and enhanced storage options that could shock everyone at launch. And here's the surprise I promised for those of you still watching. The OnePlus 15 Pro is rumored to have a hidden feature, an under-display camera that only activates in Pro mode, making your selfies completely notch-free. And this is something OnePlus hasn't officially confirmed, but insiders suggest it's real, which means this phone could be even more futuristic than we think. So, is the OnePlus 15 Pro the smartphone of the year? I'll leave that for you to decide, but one thing is certain. This device is designed not just to compete, but to dominate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And stay tuned, because the surprises from OnePlus have only just begun.